Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video we're going to be discussing about how to buy and sell a website on Shopify website. So lately I am doing my own research. I noticed that there are some features on the Shopify website whereby if you have an existing website hosted on the marketplace and you are like you want to sell it or even exchange the website, so there is an option for you to sell, buy or exchange your current website with other sellers. So you just go to shopify.com here, then come down straight up to where you see website for sale. So you click on it. So here there are lots of websites in which they are available for sale on the Shopify marketplace. You can see here exchange marketplace, so you can buy, sell and exchange your current website. So there are different kind of niches in which you can actually get or check in this website. You can see here there are 1374 websites that are available for sale here. So then you can just come here. If you want to browse some categories, then you'll be able to choose the kind of categories that you want a website on, or you just scroll down here so you see different type of website in which you can actually check and see the one that fits your needs. So I'm trying to see one that actually related to, then I will click on that. So here is how it works. So here is how it works. So seller list business, buyer and seller communicate, buyer sends offer, secure, store transfer. So and also you can read how it works here from the seller, buyer send offer, and also the secure store transfer. So you won't be like, maybe if you send money to the seller, you won't be able to get a response or you got scam for that. So there is no any scam here in Shopify. So the escrow will be in charge to take care of the fund that was transferred. Then after the payment has been received, then you get everything about the website that you just buy. Then you have the full ownership of the website. So if you have question as a buyer, so there is an option for you here, and if you are a seller, there is a question and answer for you here as well. So you can click on the one that are actually related to what you want. Then so that's that. And you can see the business types. So these are Shopify, cheap business, partner store, staff picks. So there are a lot of different categories like I just said now. So and local business for sale. So these are based on locations. So I think all this one are in the US, UK, Victoria, Florida, Washington, LA, Texas, London and Toronto. So it depends on where you want a website to buy. So it just depends on you to choose the right website that fits your needs. So, and like I said earlier on, I'm trying to click on one of the websites so we can see what's inside. So here on this website, this Spega, then the price cost for the website is $3,700. So and the average monthly revenue for the website is 3,814. So you can see a average session profit per month. So there is business history, performance, expenses, sale includes, and seller's advice. So here is business histories. So you can read on the business histories, see everything about the website. And this is the total revenue from the website, which is $22,000, almost 23,000. So everything about the website has been collated from Shopify escrows. So they are the one who are in charge of all these things, and they understand how or what the website is earning. So they have collected everything before they can list all these things here on the marketplace. So it depends on you to choose the one that fits your needs. So and this is the seller, which is Victor C. So let me try and click on another ads. Okay, let's check on this Skin Clear. So this website costs $2,000. So you can see it's all about skincare. So this is the revenue per month. So 20% profit margin, then overall earning is $12,000. So you can see here 7,000 visits, that's and 5,000 in the month of March. Well, this is very amazing. This is amazing if you are kind of like interested in buying a website from Shopify, so and you know a kind of website that fits your need, so without you thinking of maybe should I buy this website or not. So I think this is the best way for you to check on the history of the website that you want to buy, then you go ahead and buy the website, then start selling immediately, because the website are very much available to start selling without you doing any modification or fixing anything on the website. So that is all I have for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding the video, you can drop a comment and I'll be very more than happy to reply to your comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.